I know you love looking beautiful, but let me enhance that for you. I'm internationally certified. Glam Lab. Stylist John. Girl, you need your makeup done. I'm saying, boo, I got you. Girl, sit down in my chair. I'm saying, look, I got you. I want you to look real good. I'm saying, boo, I got you. Enhance beauty inside of you. I'm saying, look, I got you. Hey, what's up? Hey, I'm Stylist John. I'ma shake your hand. Have a seat in my makeup chair. Sanitize my hands. What's the look that you going for? What color is your pants or the dress or the outfit that you model? Yes, clean your face. Moisturize it next. Then prepare my own. I'ma start with foundation first. Do you have your own? If you don't, I'ma use mine. I'ma match your tone from your neck all around your face. I'ma put it on. I can see all your dark spots underneath your eye. In they triangular shape, where those dark spots high. I highlight all your T's on forehead to nose bone, to the tip of your nose, to top of your cheekbone. I contour all the shaded areas to blend the zone. Then I add primer to your eyelids, put eyeshadow on. Liner you with liner, grab some glue, I'll put your lashes on. Use a pair of tweezers just to make sure that thing is on. Girl, you want your makeup done? I'm saying, boo, I got you. Girl, sit down in my chair. I'm saying, look, I got to. I want you to look real good. I'm saying, boo, I got you. Enhance beauty inside of you. I'm saying, look, I got you. I'ma beat that face. I'ma make you look good. I'ma beat that face. I'ma make you that good. I'ma beat you that face. I'ma make you that good. I'ma make you that good. I'ma make you that good. How do you feel since you got it done? Won't you take a look? Here's a mirror. Tell me what you think. Do you like the look? I enhance the best things on you that I think will pop. Eyes and lips and your cheekbones. I'm saying, girl, you rock. High five is my business card. Please refer your friends. I will give the best service so you will come again. Homecoming dinner days, wedding day, party days. Kick it with your girls, hotel party night, out days. Baby shower, any photos that you need a certain look. I'ma do my best work. Look me up on Facebook at Stylist John. Go look up my business page. You can see my photos, album videos, her specials, and look me from my Facebook page and take you to my style seat. Look my time online, leave a deposit so you can see me. I'ma do the best I can to make you look glamorous. Then we'll do a photo shoot with my professional cameras. Girl, you want your makeup done? I'm saying, boo, I got you. Girl, sit down in my chair. I'm saying, look, I got to. I want you to look real good. I'm saying, boo, I got you. Enhance beauty inside of you. I'm saying, look, I got you. I'ma beat that face. I'ma make you that good. 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 I knew that you were beautiful. You looking like a model, girl. Pulling out your inner beauty. All I did was enhance you. I think you are a good fit. You should join my agency. Join my model team and we'll have fun and both enjoy our dreams. Photo shoots, fashion shows, hip-hop music videos, weekly interviews and published photos sold across the globe. I'll keep you styled up. You just keep your smile up. Custom fitting clothes made by designers keep them wild up. Nothing wrong with turning heads, especially when you best dressed. You get way more essence when you style in the best dress. Plus, being best dressed can turn into a movie role. Winning Golden Globes, Oscars, Grammy, or an Emmy Award. You can win a movie award. Just put the work in. If you work hard at it and you style up, it's for certain. Got swag, you got good taste. Style in a slim waist. I'ma travel with you as a stylist on your journey as I beat that face. I'ma make you that good 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 face. Girl, you want your makeup done? I'm saying, boo, I got you. Girl, sit down in my chair. I'm saying, look, I got to. I want you to look real good. I'm saying, boo, I got you. Enhance beauty inside of you. I'm saying, look, I got you. I'ma beat that face. I'ma make you that good face. I'ma make you that good face. I'ma make you that good face. Stylist John.